this is Malia, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to do makeup according to your hair color, especially for Indian skin tone, Indian women or Indian girls who want to have blonde hair or blonde highlights and you're just looking out for how to go about with the makeup aspect. I'm just going to show you some of my simple routines, how I do everyday makeup and different shades of foundations and how I go about the whole makeup thing. Hi! So, before I begin with any part of my makeup, like even before I put a primer or anything, I wear my lenses. I go for brown and hazel color because I believe that according to Indian skin tone, those colors really go well and looks really natural. I avoid going for blue and green because I just feel like it doesn't matches with the skin tone and the hair color, especially mine. So the brand I've used is Fresh Corn. Okay, the color that I've applied is warm hazel, and I feel it goes really well with my skin color. So if you are planning to go for lenses and you are a little confused how to go about it, I just feel like go for the subtle colors which naturally go with your skin. Like try and wear lenses without makeup first, and then applied the primer. Okay, the reason why I apply a primer before I begin with my makeup is because I just feel like my pores are really big, especially on my nose and here on my cheeks, and I just feel like it forms a layer when you apply a primer. So I just feel like when you begin with your makeup, make sure you do apply a primer. This is Revlon's primer. It's pretty much available and it's really nice. It's really matte. That's what I really like about it. So yeah. four colors. The first color is by the Body Shop. It's the Honey 055. The first. So the second one, which is the most lightest, is this one. And the third is by Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, this is the one. It is 310 Sun Beige. And the last one, which goes perfectly on my skin, is Fit Me 240 Golden Beige. So the color which I choose is the last one, which is Golden Beige 240 by Maybelline Fit Me. The reason why I choose this color is because once I apply this color on my face, the foundation color on my face, I don't have to apply anything on my neck and my chest, because that's not something that I really do. So I will show you the difference, and I will show you how it really looks, how it really gels up with my skin color on my neck and my chest and my face, like how it really looks like there's only like one layer of color. I'll really explain you how I do it. this was one of my looks, what I do for my daily, okay? And this is how I do it, the crease eyeshadow. You can see the crease here, that's how I do it. And I put one lipstick, like I put the one waterproof one, the stay one, and then I put a nude one, and then I put a little darker one. So that's how I do my daily makeup. I make sure that my face is pretty much highlighted. You see, like, you can see the difference now on my neck, from my neck to my chest to my face. You see the difference, then the difference that I have, there is hardly any difference, and I think it goes really well. And this makeup is something like you can do really fast. It doesn't take a really lot of time. So if you like my makeup, how I have done it, please like the video, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.